In today's class we will be learning the topic, production of cosmetics. Makeup is meant to bring out one's natural good looks. It is not something with which to just cover up the face with. It should be applied neatly and sparingly under good light. Less makeup should be worn for daytime than for evening. Cosmetics are preparations designed to make the skin or hair beautiful, to restore or correct one's appearance. Types of cosmetics. Indigenous cosmetics. These are usually naturally occurring materials in the locality. Some of these are still being used today in many parts of the country. Commercially prepared cosmetics. Most of the cosmetics that are found in the market nowadays are commercially prepared in large quantities industrially and are made up of a combination of chemicals in different proportions depending on the type of product being prepared. Makeup kits. Create a flawless base with foundation, concealer, set with powder, add bronzer for contour, then finish with mascara and lipstick. Deodorants and antiperspirants. We need to use deodorants every day to control the odor caused by perspirants and other factors on our skin. Deodorants are substances which can be applied to the skin to prevent odor from forming on the body when one sweats. They come in form of roll-on, sprays or sticks with different fragrance or perfume. Antiperspirants. They reduce perspiration by anti-drying the sweat quickly at the pores, making one appear not to be sweating. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.